Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by choosing the right extraction method for your needs and device. Use a built-in viewer for quick jobs, an online tool for convenience, or a command line program for automation. Consider file size and privacy. Use a desktop app when files exceed 50 MB or contain sensitive information. Decide if you need single pages, a range of pages, or a new merged PDF created from multiple extracts. Prepare page numbers and a save location before starting the process. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat or Reader and use the Organize Pages tool to select pages. Alternatively, open the print dialog and choose Save as PDF or Microsoft Printo PDF to create a new file with selected pages. On Mac OS, open Preview, select thumbnails for needed pages, then choose File, Export as PDF to save them. For batch or automated workflows, use command line tools like PDFTK or PDF separate, with explicit page ranges and output file names. For quick one-off extractions, use trusted online services and upload the PDF, select pages, then download the result. Avoid uploading sensitive documents or any file larger than 50 MB to online tools. For programmatic control, use Python with PyPDF2. Open the file, slice pages like PDF Reader. Pages 1, 4, add them to PDF Writer and write a new file. After extraction, always verify the output PDF, confirm page order, and check the file size matches expectations before sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.